Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. Just a real quick video here. So first of all, I want to say a thank you to all of you that are watching, everyone that subscribed, liked, commented, or anything like that, on my videos or interacted in any way, shape, or form. 1,000 subscribers. I launched this, a channel about 90 days ago, and it went, up very, very quickly, way quicker than I even thought it was going to. I never thought I was going to hit 1,000 subscribers, to be honest. And the fact that it only took about 90 days or so is pretty crazy to me. But thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for all the positivity. Pretty much all the comments I've received have been, positive or genuine curiosity, questions. People talking in the comments, stuff like that. So it's exactly what I was hoping to kind of do, with this channel. So thank you guys, so much. I couldn't have done this without you guys, watching and interacting with my videos. So, having said that, just want to kind of talk about the giveaway that I announced at the 500 subscriber mark and the 1,000 subscriber mark. So, if I can edit this correctly, like I did last time, hopefully, right now you should be seeing me going to Comment Shark and putting in the URL for the video and picking the subscriber. Picking the subscriber for me, just to make sure that this is, very fair and it's not me just kind of picking out somebody that commented. So it's basically Comment Shark's site that's picking the winner on this. And that's what I plan on using for pretty much any giveaway that I do. I just think it's kind of the fairest thing. And basically, the commenter was Bill Vela 3684, I believe. I've already reached out and just waiting to hear back on what they decided on as far as which one of these items they would like. And once they do, I'll go ahead and send it out. Quick note, if you guys are watching this on the day this is released, which is October 18th today, I believe, I'm actually going to be out of town, all week. So I'll send it out to them the following week. But basically, what I'm going to do is just like I said on the previous video, which is whatever they decide on, that will go directly to them. And then we'll have 3 tools left for the next mark, which is going to be the 1,500 subscriber mark. And then we'll kind of continue that on at every 500 until these are given away. And then once that happens, I have some additional kind of fun giveaways to give that have nothing to do with Klein or Klein tools, which I think you guys hopefully will be, somewhat excited about. So again, real quick video. Just wanted to announce Bill Vela, again, 3684 as the winner of this once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And again, a huge thank you guys to everyone that watches and interacts with any of my videos. Hopefully, I can continue doing this channel, and we can continue adding subscribers, because the more that happens, the more I'll be able to kind of buy even more tools and review things and things like that. And please continue on with all of your great suggestions. A lot of the videos that I make that come directly from the comment section. I think every comment that's ever suggested a video for me, I have made, if it's something that I have the capability of doing, if it's a tool I own, a tool that I can, buy quickly and can afford, things like that. So, please keep, suggesting things so that we can keep making the kind of content that you guys are looking for. So that's it. So thank you again. Like I always say, please like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.